All right, you guys, in terms of packing, here's what I think might be a good idea to make this thing look good. First, I think we want to put most of the foil or most of the crinkly paper at the bottom. Then I think probably take a little bit. That did not work out well. Just a little bit and put it right here. And then put the tea kettle right on it. There we go. I put each cup in a plastic wrap. And then if you put the coaster there and then coaster there, so coaster on either side, facing up and party. And then if you put the cups here like this over that top and here like this over this top, would be perfect. And then some bubble wrap right over here at the top to protect it a little bit. I think if we use new bubble wrap as opposed to the stuff that came from China would be way better. It's like a little bubble wrap sheet. And then putting in the teas like this would be wonderful. And then both place cards on top would look really, really good. So I think that'd be a great way to do it. And then obviously covering it up, wrapping it, packing it will make it look beautiful. All right, thanks y'all.